In today's session, we are going to be learning how to add plugins to your WordPress website. To add plugins, you need to start by logging into your WordPress website. We are now going to go down on the left to Plugins and then Add New. Depending on what plugin you want to add, you can either search or you can find it by scrolling through them, or you can select Featured, Popular, Recommended, or Favorites. Because I want to add a contact form to my website, I'm going to find a contact form plugin. I'm going to scroll down until I find one that I like the look of that might have lots of installations or a good review. Now, I like the look of this one, so I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to press Install Now. Once the plugin is installed, if you want to activate it straight away, you can click on Activate. It'll now either take you to the settings for the plugin or to this page here. If it takes you to this page here, then depending on the plugin, there might be a settings button here. Once you've gone to back to the settings of the plugin, which might be down on this menu as well, you'll have to go through the setup for the plugin. For this plugin, it's a pretty easy setup. Now that we've got our contact form, it'll give us a nice little snippet of shortcode, and we can just copy that and put that on a page that we want. Just by going into the page and then pasting the shortcode where you want it and then pressing update. It might look a bit weird from the back end, but once you go and refresh your page, it'll look quite normal.